What's up? Don't be a hater. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave them comments down below. What up, YouTube? It's your girl Natalia President, and yes, my last name really is President, and I'm back today bringing you another Self-Care Sunday video. Now, you already know Self-Care Sundays are my favorite, and I'm, of course, turning it into your favorite because you guys love these Self-Care Sunday videos. I'm sharing you guys my advice, my tips, everything that I can share that I already know I want to share with you guys so that I can put y'all into game. But without further ado, for today's video, I will be sharing 10 tips on how to prevent maskne, on how to get rid of it, everything, because it's bye-bye maskne, and that's one period. So without further ado, let's get into today's video and get rid of this maskne or prevent it. Number one, make sure you are keeping your skincare routine super duper simple. When I say simple, I mean make sure you are keeping it down, reduced to less as possible, especially if you're getting ready to go to work and you're gonna have a mask on for 8 to 12 hours. When I say simple, I mean simple as possible. So cleanse your skin and moisturize it. That's all you need in the morning when you're getting ready to literally have your mask on. A lot of people think that having a long drawn out skincare routine with all these expensive products is going to help clear their skin or get rid of the maskne, but believe it or not, maskne does not like a lot of products. Like, I have literally cleared my skin from the maskne that I was receiving all on my jawline from the mask. I literally just kept it simple. In the morning, I cleanse my skin and I moisturize my skin. That's all you have to do in the morning. Keep your skincare routine super duper simple. In the evening time when you get home, that's when you add in your mask, your exfoliating treatments, like all the different things like that. But you don't want to do it in the morning because you do not want to irritate your skin when you're going to have a mask on that's going to irritate it anyways. So make sure in the morning you're treating it nice. You just cleanse it, moisturize it, put the mask on and go. Number two, just remember little to no makeup. So when you go out, make sure, obviously, if you are the type of person that you have to have makeup, keep your makeup from here up. If you just want to do your mascara, your eyeshadow, your eyebrows, you know, things like that, that's perfectly okay. Sometimes if you want to just get that makeup feel and look. But if you can, going without any makeup is the best. You're letting your skin breathe. You're letting it just literally show off. And especially if you're gonna have a mask on all day, you do not wanna clog your pores and have that foundation just sitting there going deep into your skin. That's just asking for maskne to knock at your front door and burst through your skin. So do not complain when it happens if you're wearing a full face of makeup every single day under your mask, because it does not like it. Like, your skin doesn't like it, but the maskne likes it because it wants to appear on your skin. So if you want to prevent maskne and get rid of the maskne that you do have, stay away from makeup as much as you can. Tip number three, everyone has been asking me when it comes to the cotton versus disposable face mask, which ones that I prefer, which ones, you know, are recommended, and what helps you keep away maskne. But believe it or not, they both have pros and cons. So I'm just gonna go through a couple of them just so you guys can get the gist and make a decision on your own what's best for you. Disposable face masks, honestly, are the cleanest because you can literally dispose of it when you're done and get a new one. But of course, that's very costly because honestly, a lot of people are finding a shortage in the mask, so they can't even find them, the disposable ones that they want. And then if they do get disposable ones, they're obviously not going to want to, you know, keep getting new boxes and trying to find a person that has them for sale, you know, things like that. So disposable can run into the issue of trying to find more, wasting money, you know, hurting the planet, things like that. But it is, when it comes to the cleaning side of things, it's easier because you don't have to have any maintenance of cleaning. All you have to do, grab you a new mask, put it on, you're good to go. But the cotton are very, very good. They're comfortable. I personally like them because disposable ones irritate the heck out of my jawline for some reason. It's something about the inside of it is just aggravating, and rubbing up against my skin all day doesn't like it. But the cotton masks are literally my favorite because it's just way more comfortable. I can breathe in them. But the only thing, if you're going to get a cotton mask, you have to make sure you have multiple ones. So you do not have to wear the same one every single day. Or if you are gonna wear the same one every day, you have to wash it every day. And that leads me to step number 4, wash your face mask. If you have a cotton face mask, wash your face mask every single day, or get 7 and wash once a week, and you alternate throughout the week, whatever it is. Or if you have a disposable one, make sure you get a new one every day, because I'm telling you guys, so much bacteria and germs get stuck with that mask. And if you keep putting on the same exact mask every single day without washing it, without cleansing it, you're literally going to defeat the purpose of the mask. So just make sure, and not only defeating the purpose, you're also gonna cause your skin to break out and get the maskne. So to keep away from masking, you have to make sure you're obviously keeping something clean on your face. That's like laying down on a dirty pillowcase and then wanting clear skin. It doesn't work like that. So I tell people, make sure you alternate and you switch out and you use clean face mask on your skin if you want to prevent maskne and you want to get rid of it. Number 5, my ultimate favorite, moisturize your skin. Make sure your skin is staying hydrated and moisturized, because if it is dry, I don't care how, oh, I have oily skin. It doesn't matter. You still need to moisturize. You need to moisturize your skin, period. Number 6, detoxing your skin 1 to 2 times per week. A lot of people think that they don't need to detox their skin, but when I tell you, detoxing your skin helps you beat the breakout to the punch. So if you want to prevent acne, this is the best way. Detox your skin 1 to 2 times per week. I use the green tea detox face mask because it literally has green tea, cucumbers. It's amazing, smells amazing, detoxes my skin, and it gets the job done. And make sure breakouts don't have time to even surface, because it's getting rid of it before it even became a problem. It's the free code time. I need for you to like this video, screenshot that you like this video, DM me the screenshot and the code word green tea detox so you can get your free green tea detox sample from Natalia's Magic Skincare, because with all this maskne going on, you need the green tea detox to prevent it and get rid of it. So without further ado, let's continue on with the video, but make sure you guys DM me the code word green tea detox and like this video and screenshot it to me. Number 7, make sure at night you are doing a full routine. So do not think you could just cleanse and moisturize at night as well. At night, that's when you can add in your face mask, you can add in your exfoliators, things like that, and do an actual full routine. So just make sure you're doing that at night when you're getting ready to go to bed and you're giving your skin time to heal before you're having to put a mask on and clog it throughout the days. Or if you work, for instance, at night and you have to reverse this, whatever it is. But when you are getting ready to go to bed, that's when you can do a full skincare routine and your skin will definitely appreciate it. Number 8, just because you are wearing a mask does not mean you don't have to wear SPF. If you do not want to get a sunscreen, then at least get a moisturizer that has SPF infused in it. But when I tell you, everyone, no matter what skin complexion, no matter what shade, light skin, dark skin, whatever it is, you need sunscreen, okay? Male or female. Number 9, make sure you clean or sanitize your hands before touching your face or doing any type of skincare routine, because you do not want to transfer any bacteria or dirt or toxins that are on your hands onto your face. So make sure you just clean your hands or sanitize them before touching your face. Tip number 10, if you are already experiencing maskne and you're trying to get rid of it, then this tip is specifically for you. What you're gonna do is do a spot treatment. So you can take benzoyl peroxide if you're like me, a natural baby, or you can do the different other options like obviously retinol, sulfur, there's plenty of different spot treatments. But my favorite is benzoyl peroxide, and what I'll do is literally take the benzoyl peroxide in my hand, cleanse my skin like it's just water, cleanse it, and then I'm gonna wait a couple seconds while it foams up, and then I take some water and cleanse it, literally get all the benzoyl peroxide off of my skin, and then I literally do a spot treatment of green tea detox anywhere that I have any acne, put my mask on, and I'm good to go. So under your mask, you definitely can do a spot treatment, and it will literally be your best friend because it will get rid of it. You take your mask off, you rinse it off when you get home, and you already see that it's reduced the size of the maskne. So spot treatments definitely will be your best friend. Thanks for tuning into my 10 tips on how to prevent and get rid of maskne. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Make sure you guys like this video, thumbs it up. Comment down below what you want to see for next week's Self-Care Sunday video. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're not already a Clear Skin Cutie. Subscribe to the channel, turn them post notifications on so you do not miss when I post amazing videos for y'all. Thanks so much. We're out. Bye.